sheep out of the mouth of the lion, and I slew the lion, and King Goliath shall be like one of the lion or one of the bear. David had a testimony. He has credentials, so he knew that no matter how tall and stature Goliath is, the God that was with him in the wilderness, that same God shall be with him in the battlefield. Can I talk to somebody here? The God that was with you when you came to America without a job, without a place to sleep, and that same God gave you a job and gave you an apartment. That same God sent me to tell you that there is another dimension of his blessings that is about to come upon you, and no power, no witch, no demon, no spirit, no Beelzebub can stop you, because if God brought you out, he will take you through. If God delivered you, he will give you a testimony. If God anointed you, you shall surely overcome, overrule, override, overshadow your enemies, because when the anointing comes, your yoke shall be broken, the burden shall be destroyed. I hear in the ranks of the Spirit that tonight there is a yoke that is broken, there is a burden that's been lifted. I came here to tell you that if the Lord is on our side, who can be against you? No weapon formed against you shall prosper. I came to tell you that the name of the Lord is a strong tower, the righteous one unto it, and they are saved. I came to tell you that the Lord is on your side, and when the Lord is on your side, 1,000 shall fall on your left hand side, and 10,000 shall fall on your right hand side. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me beside the still waters. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. If I walk through the valley and on the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for the Lord is with me. His rod and his staff, they comfort me. He prepared a table in the presence of my enemies. He anointed my head with oil, and my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. In the morning, goodness and mercy. In the evening, goodness and mercy. In the afternoon, goodness and mercy. At the night, goodness and mercy shall follow me, not the least of the days of my life, but all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of God. I came to talk to you that your night has come, your Friday has come, your Saturday has come, your Monday has come, for you to be anointed with fresh oil, and your cup shall run over. Somebody say yeah! Hey! If they hide you, if they try to hide you here, if they try to hide you here, God will pump you from that place. Oh, look at somebody and tell the person, I am too blessed to be hidden. I didn't hear you. So tell the person, you are too blessed to be hidden.